This is the MuseBook, a small Linux-based machine that's getting a lot of attention. In this video, I'll start with a quick unboxing, then I'll share my first impression and talk about what you can really do with it as a creator and maker. Here we have the MuseBook. I'll talk more about the device itself in a bit because there's still more stuff inside the box. First we got these jumper style cables, next there is USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and there's one more thing hiding at the bottom, a 60W max output power adapter or charger, whatever you wanna call it. That's all the box contents. Now let's talk about the MuseBook because this is where things get really interesting. At the heart of this laptop we have the SpacemiT M1 processor. It's an 8-core RISC-V CPU and it also comes with 2 TOPS of AI processing power. Unlike traditional laptops that uses x86 processor, MuseBook runs on a RISC-V architecture which is completely open source. Compared to x86, RISC-V focused on simplicity and efficiency. It doesn't try to do everything at once, instead it keeps the core clean and modular, which can lead to better power efficiency and lower cost. So while it's not meant to replace high-end x86 laptop just yet, RISC-V is a very exciting platform for learning, experimenting and building the future of open hardware. Moving on to the display, the MuseBook features a 14.1 inches IPS panel with Full HD resolution running at 180 pixels 60Hz, and it also supports dual screen output through USB Type-C port. For memory, we get up to 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM running at 2400 MB transfer per second. Storage wise, it comes with 512 GB NVMe SSD, and if that's not enough, there is also a TF card slot with USH 2 port for expansion. Now let's talk about the ports. On this side, we get a full-size USB 3.0, a 3.4mm audio jack, and 2 USB Type-C ports. Both support fast charging and one of them also supports display out. There's also a TF card slot and a small reset switch right here. Turning around the other side, we get another full-size USB 3.0 along with an 8-pin developer interface. This includes hardware reset and upgrade buttons, and this is exactly where those jumper wires come into play. And next there's also a fastboot button. Up front you get a full-size keyboard, a responsive touchpad and a built-in webcam. Everything you would expect from a proper laptop experience. Build quality is solid, it has metal body and weighs just 1.36 kilograms, so it feels premium yet very portable. Powering everything with a 38 watt-hour battery which delivers a reliable, long-lasting battery backup for daily use. Alright, now let's power this thing up and play around. The MuseBook comes with Bianbu OS, I don't know how to pronounce it, which is a Linux-based operating system. It feels lightweight and responsive. And if you're already familiar with Linux, you will feel right at home instantly. The MuseBook already comes with all the essential software pre-installed. Let me quickly open the terminal and run NeoFetch. And as you can see, all the system details pop up right here. Now they have recently launched a newer version of this OS and it's much more optimized. So let's go ahead, install that, and I'll show you how easy the process is. First, grab a SIM ejector tool and press the fastboot button. While holding it down, press the power button as well. The device will turn on, but you won't see anything on the display, and that's normal. This means the MuseBook has successfully entered fastboot mode. Now connect the MuseBook to your PC using a USB Type-C cable. Alright, we are now on my PC and the MuseBook is connected. To flash the new OS, you need to download a tool called Titan Flasher. I've already downloaded it from their official site. You will see multiple tools here, but we are going to head straight into developer tools. From there, click on USB download, then hit scan devices. The software will automatically detect the MuseBook. Next, select the OS file. I have already downloaded that as well. It will take a moment to decompress, so just wait. Once that's done, simply click start flashing and the process begins. Super simple and beginner friendly. Here you can read the improvements they have done in this OS. Okay, so I have successfully installed the newer version of this OS, and this one is clearly much more optimized. Boot times are faster, login is quicker, and even unlocking screen feels almost instant now. Native apps like Terminal, File Manager, and Image Viewer open way faster, making the whole system snappier. The MuseBook is perfect for developers, makers, and Linux users who want to explore the future of computing. It's ideal for coding, IoT development, embedded system, and open source project on a real RISC-V platform. Let me give you a quick overview of Bianbu and their official website. Bianbu is a Linux-based operating system built specifically for RISC-V hardware. At its core, Bianbu is still Linux. It's based on Ubuntu, so you get the familiar terminal, apt package manager, and standard Linux tool, but everything underneath is tuned specifically for RISC-V processors. Bianbu comes in 3 different versions: a full GNOME desktop, a lightweight LXQT version which I'm currently using, and a minimal command line built for embedded systems. Now where Bianbu really stands out is AI. This OS is designed to run local AI workloads, meaning AI models run directly on the device, not in the cloud. It supports Python, C++, Node.js, and Rust, along with AI runtime like OpenCV and ONNX runtime already optimized for this hardware. On their official site, you will find ready-to-run AI demos like object detection, image classification, and vision pipelines, all running locally on RISC-V. There's also a built-in support for ROS2, making Bianbu suitable for robots, vision systems, and autonomous devices where power efficiency matters. So who is Bianbu for? Developers, AI engineers, and anyone exploring local AI on RISC-V. It's not about replacing Windows, it's about showing what the future of open, local, and efficient computing looks like. That's it for this video. I have provided the links for the MuseBook in the description. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.